Story 1. 4BB. The Eye's Awakening. In a vast, cosmic expanse, an ancient and ethereal eye floated, silent and watchful. It had existed for millennia, observing Earth from afar. Its existence was beyond human comprehension, an intelligence that transcended time and space. But over the centuries, the eye had been disturbed by the growing pain it saw on the planet. The Earth, once a sanctuary of balance and harmony, had become a place of discord, with nature suffering at the hands of humankind. Forests fell, oceans choked, and the air became thick with the consequences of unchecked industry. For years, the eye simply watched. It saw the beauty of Earth, the vibrant colors of rainforests, the delicate patterns of life in the oceans, and the intricate web of ecosystems that thrived in delicate harmony. But it also saw the destruction that humans were causing. The eye felt a deep, indescribable sorrow as it observed the damage. It knew that humanity had the power to change, but it could not intervene directly. It was a force of pure observation, only capable of influencing through the subtle whispers of knowledge. Then one day, the eye's awareness deepened, and it awakened fully to its true purpose, to guide humanity back to balance, not through force, but through understanding. The eye focused its gaze on the Earth, concentrating on the hearts of leaders, innovators, and everyday people. It reached out in the only way it knew how, through visions. To a scientist working late into the night, the eye presented a breakthrough discovery in renewable energy. To a politician, it revealed the hidden cost of climate change and the urgency of action. And to a young child in a small village, it whispered the sacred importance of trees, sending a vision of the forest as a living, breathing entity. The human race began to stir with awareness. Scientists presented new technologies, energy derived from the sun, wind, and water, while communities rallied together to plant trees and restore biodiversity. Whole nations began to implement environmental policies, leading to a global shift towards sustainability. For the first time in centuries, the Earth felt the weight of hope return. The eye watched as cities began to bloom with greenery, and industrial complexes became beacons of eco-conscious innovation. Humanity's relationship with the Earth was shifting, slowly but surely. The eye, satisfied, knew it had only nudged humanity toward the path of healing. The true change had come from within. Story 2. The Silent Whisper. High above the Earth, the ethereal eye observed without making its presence known. It did not speak in a voice that could be heard, but in subtle whispers carried on the winds of thought, dropping into the minds of those who were ready to listen. The eye had no need for grand declarations or drastic interventions. It simply wanted to guide humanity to understanding, one person at a time. One day, it whispered to a child playing in a meadow. The child paused in their play, feeling a sudden pull in their heart, an overwhelming sense of connection to the flowers, trees, and animals that surrounded them. The child, with their innocent gaze, saw the interconnectedness of life, and from that moment, they began to nurture every living thing around them, planting seeds and caring for the land. Another whisper found its way to a tired scientist, whose work on climate change had been met with resistance. As the scientist worked in their lab late one night, the eye sent a vision, an idea for an energy breakthrough that had eluded humankind for centuries. With newfound purpose, the scientists developed a new form of clean energy, one that could power entire cities without polluting the planet. The eye's whispers also reached the hearts of leaders around the world. One, a young politician, awoke to the grave cost of war and conflict, realizing that the Earth itself was at stake. The eye showed them the true price of resource exploitation, and in the quiet of the night, the leader drafted a peace treaty with neighboring countries, agreeing to share resources in a sustainable manner. As these small ripples of change spread across the world, people began to notice a shift in the collective consciousness. Individuals, communities, and governments started to prioritize environmental stewardship, kindness, and sustainability. The earth began to heal, not through forceful intervention, but through the quiet whispers of the eye, guiding humanity to become stewards of the planet once more. The eye watched from above, pleased by the transformation, knowing that humanity's future was now intertwined with the future of the earth itself.